Hi guys, today is another unboxing of the handbags that I got offer at Hermes leather appointment. Please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana and today I'm gonna do unboxing of this beautiful handbag. I got offer of this handbag on my latest Paris trip in February of this year. I was in Paris. I stayed in Paris almost a week and I got an appointment and I got offer of this handbag. So let's just do unboxing together. So I got away twillies. So let's guess if it's Birkin, Kelly, Constance. Okay. So keeping in mind how small is the box, you know that this handbag is not as big. There you go. Comes with of course the pillow and the care booklet. I will share also price guys, because you know for many it's important to know the prices, because sometimes when it comes to Hermes they are kind of like, you know, like as the secret agents, they are hiding away their prices. So are you ready? Oh! So there you go guys, I got an offer of mini Constance. This is Constance 18. Let's just do proper unboxing of all the felts. And when I gonna actually unbox everything, you will see how gorgeous is this handbag, because it's really special. So there's like this tiny felt, and then there is an additional this kind of wraparound felt. Actually, I have another Constance. It's a Constance 124. It's 24 but with the single gusset, and I didn't get this wraparound felt. I purchased it from the resale market and it was listed as a full package, but in fact I didn't even know that there is an additional wraparound felt. So let's see. Let me introduce to you. I got Constance 18 in color noir, or in another hands it's a black. It's in leather Epsom, and the color of the hardware is a rose gold. You see, like right now it's most likely you're picking up on that rose gold hardware. I have to remove the stickers, but most likely I wouldn't be removing stickers on today's video. I'm most likely gonna do another video for removing of the stickers. So that's how it looks like inside. Inside it's with a soft lambskin. It has also a mirror, tiny mirror with this model. I don't want to flash everybody with the mirror, but that's how it looks. And let me see what was the stamp code, and the stamp is W as well. So W, I have to check what year is the W. I believe the W it's actually 2024. Let me see. Yes, it's a year 2024. I just Google it and that's what it shows over here. It's a year 2024. So 2023 it's a B stamp apparently. So I have to check on my Birkin. Most likely it's a B stamp. So it's a handbag from year 2024. So let me see how how beautiful the cell phone goes in, and there is a plenty of room for the many other things inside this handbag, like, you know, the wallet, the keys, you name it. And in fact I was actually thought that I'm gonna ask for another 2124, but at the end I decided to ask for mini because I simply don't have mini in my collection. This is the reason number one. And the second reason, I really want to get comfortable because 124 I still can do crossbody, but I want to get something really compact and comfortable and something extremely durable. I said right away my choice of the leather would be Epsom because I really love Epsom. So far, whatever I have in my collection, and if it's an Epsom leather, thanks God I have really good experience, like, you know. And people saying it's not soft, it's actually, like, even right now brand new, it's very, very soft and it's very durable. And I recently also did video removing scratches from the Epsom leather, and I would say number one enemy of any handbags, it's your own jewelry. And I got scratches from my Hermes ring, that the Kelly rings, that it has kind of like, you know, pointy thingy on the top. And the second one is major, it's Cartier JUC, because it also has kind of popping top, so that one also gives me lots of grief with the scratches. So, and I originally asked if there is options of Kelly 25 in gray, or I said if Kelly 25 in gray is not available, because I have Kelly 28 in black, I don't want Kelly 25 in black again, don't want another black handbag. But when it comes to Constance, and especially mini, if I want to use it like really heavily, I said, or if there is options of Constance 18, but I want specifically in black. I want Epsom black because I want to use this handbag really, really heavily. And when I've been asked what hardware do I want, I said I'm not really particular on the hardware. I'm okay with palladium, I'm okay with gold. I didn't even mention rose gold because I didn't even expect it to be an option, because, you know, when it comes to rose gold, it's very, very, like right now you can see rose gold is a little bit more, it's it's more rare comparing to palladium or regular yellow gold. So I didn't even ask, but I said if there will be options of some kind of buckle with enamel, I will be open to it. But I said I don't want any exotics on a buckle, because I don't want to have any restrictions with travel, because, you know, usually when it comes to any exotics, you have some kind of what limitation with the travel. And I've been brought this handbag, and the moment I look at it, I was like, it's no brainer, yes please. So right now I have two Constances in my collection. This is as classy as it gets, black Epsom leather, and on top of everything with the rose gold hardware. It's like, oh my gosh. It's funny is that both rose gold hardware that I have, they're both on Constances. My other Constance is 124, it's in Mauve Sylvestre with the rose gold hardware, again in Epsom leather. Absolutely love it, absolutely love it. I'm so lucky and blessed that I got this offer on my appointment. And the second handbag that I got on my appointment, it was Della Elan, but I exchanged that handbag. I have a live video, it was my first live stream ever. I'm gonna link it in the description box. Please watch that live stream that I did on the exchange of that handbag, and I exchanged it to mini bolide in Etude color. I will also link the unboxing video either in description or somewhere over here. So that's about it, guys. Please let me know what you think of this beauty. It's definitely gorgeous. I love it, I love it, and I know that I'm gonna use a lot. I know that I'm gonna use a lot. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I love that it's absolutely perfect as a crossbody. I love that it's perfect as a travel bag, because I can easily wear it as an evening bag, but at the same time it will look absolutely perfect with a pair of denim and even flip-flops, you know, if I have to go somewhere. I love it that I can make it as shoulders. I love it that I can make it crossbody. I can make it even as a long shoulders, you name it. And even if I want, I can take like, you know, kind of tuck away all these let me just actually show to you. I can tuck away all these straps and make it as a evening clutch, even if I need it. So because I still easily can you know, just something like that, and just go as an evening. I can put easily my cell phone, my lipstick if I need it, just to have it as an evening clutch, something like that. Love it. I think it was a good decision for sure, and cannot go wrong with the Constance 18 in black with rose gold hardware. So this is my new addition. And to be honest, guys, later on, most likely I'm really considering making my second live stream where we can chat on my leather appointment. I already did my exchange video, but we still can touch up on those points, you know, of the exchange. And just in general, like, you know, telling you the story how I got my leather appointment, because it wasn't let's say regular route of getting leather appointments, so stay tuned for that. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make just a regular video, but I'm thinking of doing the second stream. And I almost forgot to tell you the price. So this is Constance, mini Constance mirror. They call it Constance 3 mini mirror in Epsom, and the color 89 Noir, and the price 6,950, almost 7,000 euro. So that's my bag offer that I got at my Paris leather appointment. Please let me know, guys, what do you think. In fact, you know, I love clearly my Birkins and my Kellys, don't get me wrong, because those ones are like quotas and everybody going crazy for Birkins and Kellys. But sadly, my kind of like classic, somewhat flap style handbags I use the most, because my most used one is a Della. My second most used now coming is my Constance 124. It's not as heavily used as my Della because it's kind of pink and I'm a little bit worried about the color transfer. I'm absolutely positive, because it's a black, I'm gonna use this handbag really heavily, and I'm gonna enjoy it so very much. And I mean, you cannot go wrong with the black. Alright, you guys, that's about it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please put all your comments. What do you think of my beautiful offer? Because I definitely love it. And I guess that's about it for today, and I will see you on my next one.